G'day everyone, welcome back to Residence Homestead. I thought I'd show you what we've been up to on this side of the property over the last couple of days through the hot weather, on and off. We made these garden beds. Let's show you the fun we had making them now.
What do you think?
What?
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, lip.
Yep.
And that'll be cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, lip. So I cut all around there. Take that off, cut the lid off, and there's a ring. What?
Half of one garden bed. Yay!
Is that going to be high enough?
Yeah. Yep.
Alright. So we'll cut that off and we'll have a go. What's going on?
Puppy. Oh! That was
Show me that glove. What's going on?
They actually having the day I bought them, Jet decided he liked them too.
Right. That's the four-fingered glove. Oh, a bit of rock melon, Poppy.
Where is he? So jealous. Oh!
Come here, Pop.
Slipped out, Puppy.
Poppy Pop.
No!
Oh,
Rather carbs.
she's got the carbs going.
No New Year's resolutions here.
She knows it's wholemeal. There we go. Into the rock melon. What do the Americans call it? Cantaloupe? Rock melon?
Yeah, maybe. Yuppie. Jealous.
Jealous, aren't you, mate? We're used to having all the attention.
We won't give her the bacon.
No, it's probably a crime to give pigs bacon or ham.
Thumbs down.
There's something, yeah. There's probably something not okay about that. Hi everybody! Welcome to Residence Homestead. We're making garden beds. And they've come from this tank over here. That tank used to hold water, but now it holds animal corpses. So we're making garden beds so we can grow some veggies. Roll them onto the tractor. And that's one. And I don't know if you're counting, but this is 2.
Oh.
So now they're on, we've got to find somewhere to put them. Fuck my life.
What's he doing? I thought he'd be walking a bit closer to it with Kylie.
Why is it so slow?
Put your foot down!
Stuff.
What?
Pick Because you're carrying stuff. Just gonna break my tractor.
That's your 10. Oh my god! Didn't you go over that? Oh, Poppy! Go, Poppy! Go, Poppy! Just a 10-year-old daughter, a man and his tractor, dog and pig. Okay, so while they head off into the sunset, I'm just going to show you, so this will be a temporary solution just to get my hands back in the soil. But this is my future veggie patch up until that pallet up there. So this is about just over 40 meters. Kids trampoline, had a bashing over summer holidays. So we'll stop there. That will be all Andy's little project stuff for his shed. And then all this will go, so this is all from the renovations left over. Pallets obviously for pallet projects like shed wars, composting toilets. And all that firewood that I showed you Andy cutting will go. That's going to be the horse menage for when our horse arrives to get back into riding. But yeah, all this will be veggie patch. So 40 meters by about 20, just over 20 meters of veggie patch area. Sorry guys, you can see how crazy the wind is here. That is a hot 36-degree wind, so over 104 Fahrenheit I think. Horse manure for my veggie patch. Some of it already looks broken down, so it's awesome. So we've pretty much got 4 garden beds out of that one rainwater tank, and all we've done now is, you saw the manure that we picked up, we've got some topsoil and we've just mixed it with the manure to help spread out the acidity of the fresh manure so we can get planting into it quicker. I've also added some garden mulch and some topsoil that we were given. So that's all been mixed through, and you would have seen the video of us getting our seeds planted. So they're in this little greenhouse at the moment, slowly growing. And yeah, so these are the garden beds that Andy made me. As I said in the video, they're not the permanent garden beds we'll have. We'll probably keep them for in the new veggie patch, but for now they're in the driveway. But they'll get my hands back into the soil, because one of the New Year's resolutions, I guess, or goals for 21 that I have, is to grow more of what I love. So that's my summer update and a little bit about our 2021 goals. Thank you for coming along on this journey with us. I'd love you to pop in the comments what your 2021 homesteading goals or garden goals may be. I really enjoy hearing from you guys and what you're up to and what your experiences are, what our similarities are, but what our differences are as well. Yeah, thanks everyone. I hope a little bit of this resonates with you.